So, welcome back. Well, not welcome back to y'all, but welcome back to me. What's up, everybody? Tech King Mike back again with another video. So, check me out. First and foremost, Happy New Year to everybody. Happy freaking New Year, man. I hope you guys are out here crushing and smashing your goals and just knocking everything out, resolutions, everything like that. I hope you are killing it. I hope you're making it happen. You know what I'm saying? Just I hope you're doing it, man. I hope you're doing the doggone thing. Let's talk about the channel, because it's been a while since you've seen a video from me. I know. It's been a while. I have missed you guys too. I hope you have missed me as much as I've missed you. And if you haven't, then get to know me and you might miss me. Anyway, channel update, guys. So here's the deal. About a month ago, right around the Christmas holiday, before Christmas holiday, my life was kind of in a little bit of a limbo. You know, I didn't really know what direction I was going to go going into this year. I had a couple of things I was thinking about doing as far as the channel, personal life, and stuff like that. And it just really all kind of seemed to not go the way I wanted it to go. Now, lo and behold, here's the deal. I actually got accepted and was able to go to school this semester, to start school for network engineering. And it actually is going to include a lot more other things than just networking. There's a lot of hardware, software things that come along with it, and basically just breaking and stepping into the IT field. And what I really wanted to focus on this year with the channel was I wanted to kind of bring you guys that journey and that experience. I'm not really a vlogger, so I may not vlog. I may vlog every now and then, but I'm not really the biggest vlog person. But I only go to class three days a week, and it's all at night. So let me tell you the classes I'm taking. So I'm taking a hardware class where, get this, we get to break a computer down, put a computer back together, and that's pretty much all we're going to be doing in that class over and over and over again. I am so excited. I'm so excited because I have always wanted to put a PC together. So the idea of being able to do this, like, for class is, like, I'm so excited about that. So really excited about the idea of being able to do that. Also, on top of that, we have the software class where I am actually learning things about Windows computers and other OSs like Linux. One thing I've always wanted to tap into and learn about, Mac OS, which I have a MacBook Pro and I also have a Windows laptop, so it's kind of cool to be able to get the best of both worlds. But did you guys know? Did you know if you hit the Windows button and the tab button, you can have a second desktop on your Windows computer? Dog, when I found that out the first day, mine was blown. I was all over the place. When I tell you my mind was, I can't make this up, folks. I can't make this up. Where does that leave me with the channel? What does that leave me with you guys? Mike, oh man, Mike, you're in school. How are you gonna have time for the channel? Mike, you're working full time still. Well, here's the deal. I plan on having a lot of time for the channel because I want to bring you guys what I'm learning in school. You know, it's a lot of things that we watch Twitter and YouTube and social media and look at and learn about, from smartphones, headphones, cameras, computers, and things like that. But there are a lot of the inner workings about technology that we don't talk about. It's pretty dope. So I'm trying to bring you guys the tech and the information that I'm learning from my perspective, which is the only way I know how to do it, which is ignorantly, which means I'm finna be a wild clown about it. Y'all already know, because I'm still over here bugging, dog. Like, I'm telling you, if somebody would have told me that you could have multiple desktops on the computer, I'd have probably smacked fire from them. Like, dog, it's only one desktop. That's why it's called a desktop. It's not desktops. It's desktop. Okay? But when my instructor did it, I was just sitting in the classroom like, did y'all know we could do that? Y'all knew we could do that? Oh, you knew? Oh, you knew? Oh, you knew? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, you knew too? Oh. All right. So it's just me that didn't know. No, you knew too? You knew? Oh. All right. So like I said, I'm planning on bringing you guys some things this year. I want to do tech differently this year, guys. I don't want to get caught up in buying every phone that comes out. I don't want to get caught up in the rush and the hype. You know, a lot of times with tech videos, if you don't get the video out right away, you know, you kind of lose the views, you lose the momentum, and I just don't want to get caught up in that again. I want to have fun with my YouTube channel. I don't want to feel like I got to keep up to be able to do what I want to do with my YouTube channel. Also, another major update, the tag fights. Yes, the tag fights. So here's the deal. I have a tech fight that I'm trying to work out and hash out. It's gonna be the biggest one yet, just because there's gonna be 4 fighters. Yes, I said 4 fighters. It's gonna be a tag team battle, and if I can pull this off, which I know I can with their help and with the help of my awesome judges and with the help of everybody else who watches it, the help of everybody that watches it and all the people involved, I know that we are really gonna kill it, and I know that it is gonna be dope. Is that a mosquito? We're really gonna kill it. And I think it's going to be amazing. I think it's going to be dope. And I'm just ready to bring you guys some more quality tech fights. And just overall, guys, I'm just hyped. Those of you wondering, my classes that I'm currently taking are the Introduction to CompTIA A+ Hardware Software Configurations. And also, see, I didn't want to talk about this too much, but I'm going to go ahead and talk about it just because I feel like it might need to be talked about. I got a college algebra class I'm starting at the end of the month. And y'all pray for me. Y'all pray for me because I'm scared. I'm not good at math at all. So y'all pray for the boy, pray for the kid. Keep me in your thoughts come the 27th of January. But until then, I look forward to seeing what this semester brings, and I look forward to seeing what the rest of this program brings. I'm literally more excited about this opportunity than I am about anything I've had going on in a long time. Guys, that's the update of the channel. I appreciate you guys so much for rocking with me all of 2019. I hope everybody had a happy holiday. I hope everybody had a great new year. And folks, with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the next one, and peace. Let's kill it.